it's Lana from Baker Art, and today I am doing some tiles for coasters. So I've picked 4 colours and I'm going to use the same 4 colours on all 4 coasters to do a set. My little experiment this time was to try and do different layering to see the effects. So that colour is called Purple Red. Then we've got Honey, the yellow one, English Rose, which is that dusty pink, and then a gold. On this video, the first colour I put down looks very pink, but it's more of a, that purple red, and you'll see it in the dried version that it came out a lot more red than pink. So I think it was just the lighting I had. That was before I got my ring light, and the lighting was a bit, threw the colour off a little bit. Don't forget, if there's a bit that you don't like you just saw me do there, you can scrape off and redo. And don't forget to pull the scrapes off the sides so the paint doesn't get pulled down. I actually do that with tiles. I go around and do that probably 4 or 5 times after they've been sitting there. When as the drips come down, I sort of do it maybe for about half an hour afterwards, just to make sure. So here you will see I'm layering them in a different order. So we've gone with the light colour first, just to see if there's any sort of difference in the effect that you get. I did find with this, layering the darker one on the bottom or the yellow one, I found I got very similar results, and you'll see that in the end. The last 2 coasters I ended up doing in the same order because I think I forgot that I was layering them differently. So 3 and 4 are the same, and you will see putting the darker colour on the top. So I put the purple red, or red purple, on the top in the last 2, and they came out a lot redder than these 2, which had a different colour on top. So I will just pop on some music for the last bit, and I will see you at the end for the dried results. Okay, so I just wanted to give you a quick update on how these dried. I love how they've dried. Really beautifully. The gold, they're really nice. They're nice and smooth. So the white in there, just dried really smooth and sort of flawlessly, really. And the gold really shines through nicely. So I don't know if I'd call them cells. Oh yeah, those would be little cells there. Bit of, I call that kind of lacing. But again, the gold is just really nice there. And the last one. So beautiful. Now just quickly, I just want to show you, because I love these ones as well. I did a blue set as well first, and I've actually already got the video posted for these, so I'll link that up the top now. But love these ones, and I didn't actually give a dried video of these, but yeah, absolutely love how all of these have turned out. So, and there's the last blue one. I hadn't used green in anything, and I really wanted to try it, and I thought, oh, I'll try it on a tile, and I love them so much, so I made a matching set. So I've yet to seal these with anything, because I'm just in the middle of trialing a sealer and see if that works well with a hot mug before I attempt it on these ones, because I love these ones. So yeah, so thanks for joining me, and I will see you next time.